PinBot MPU. It had 28 volts shorted to the MPU board. I think that's what the client said. So I'm testing out everything. I even have one of my soundboards connected with the correct ROMs in it. You can see it's booted up and the lamp matrix is doing what it's supposed to, and so is the so are the coils, I should say. And those are some flashers going on. The problems with the board was the 7408 here at U17 was dead, and also that backfed back to U10, the 6821 PIA. Along the way, I also installed NVRAM, replaced this power input header, replaced the special solenoids output header. It was very burnt. And I replaced these 4 caps. These 3 are in the power input section, and this one's in the reset section. So it's good to go. Let's put it in our tests now. And I do have a soundboard connected, so let's see if we can make it go. There we go. All that music is coming from the CPU board itself, the sound section in the CPU board. So very good. Display test. And you can see that everything is doing what it's supposed to be doing here. The bottom displays on PinBot are only 7-segment displays. And all those sounds were coming from the soundboard. Here is the lamp matrix operating like it's supposed to. We could go through the single lamp test. And you can see all those are working just fine. Next test is coil test. 5 and 5A, or 5A, 5C, sorry. I have to all those are working properly now. The last 6 were the special solenoids. So I'm going to take my Jim Paulson designed short or ground connector here and rake that header just like I just did, and you see all 6 of those circuits are working just fine. Next is I'm going to go to switch edges. It's just easier to test, and I use my Pennytech tester for that, my custom harness. Oh boy. Everything in column 1 is working. And that's row 1, and that proves that the entire switch matrix is working. Switch 60 is the last switch in the PinBot switch matrix. And that's it. Now we can go through audits. I might as well set the game to free play here while I'm in here. All right, so I'm going to press the credit button, and that'll change this to yes. We are back on free play, and cycled through everything, and the game has rebooted, or the board set has rebooted, and everything's doing what it's supposed to right now. Thanks for sending it. I'm glad I could get it back to you relatively quickly.